Hi, I'm YONIL, and I'm an artist, an illustrator, and a graphic designer based in Tel Aviv, Israel.
What I like the most about this city is that despite being trashy and super messy, it always feels familiar and homey.
I like to call my style illustrated collage because it is very random in its nature. I stitch images together until it feels right. It is different because I almost never use found imagery. Instead, I illustrate my own stuff to fit into the collage until I get the final result I want. I'm heavily influenced by gig posters and album covers, but I draw inspiration from pretty much everything that's around me. If it's a poster I saw that I liked, or if it's a shop window I saw on the way to the studio. And even when I feel uninspired, I'll just draw about that. So what I'm going to be showing you today is how I texturize my illustrations once I feel they're done. So I'm going to take this texture and put it on top of my illustration and set this layer to multiply. I'm going to bring the levels window. It's still not rough enough for me. So I'm going to take this texture, but this time I'm going to use overlay as the blend mode. I'm going to bring in the hue and saturation window. And that's it.